Okay, folks. School, 3 children, sports, late nights, a lot of drama festival. You need something easy to make. We're making boxed jambalaya. We're gonna add our own protein in, little andouille sausage, little chicken. It's a super quick and simple recipe from a box, but it tastes really good. We're making jambalaya today. Stay tuned. Oh, bring it in for the close-up. Okay, listen. That's easy. Andouille sausage. I'm gonna air fry those chicken thighs because I'm also gonna use them for meal prep later in the week. So, Ninja Foodie, air fryer chicken thighs, and we're gonna cut them up and put it in. But this is the star of the show. Pick this guy. This actually, I don't even know what company this is, Zatarain's. They don't pay me or anything like that, but this is a really good product. And some oil. It's literally protein, that, water, oil, air fry yourself some chicken. Let's make a jambalaya. Ooh, I gotta say, and I don't know Suckle Busters from Adam, but they do make a good product. A lot of their products I like. So today we're gonna be seasoning the chicken with the chicken rub, and then we're gonna air fry it for like 20 minutes, and then we'll make the jambalaya in there. All right, Cajun andouille sausage chopped up. Chicken thighs, I usually do like 10 or 12 minutes at 350-ish. And then flip it and do another 10 or 12 minutes. So that chicken, then we'll cube it up. So it'll be a double protein jambalaya. It'll be the pork sausage, Cajun andouille sausage, chicken thighs, which I seasoned with the Suckle Busters, a little oil, that, water, the rice mix. It's pretty easy. And I like that because it feeds a lot of people on a weeknight when we got a lot of action going on. I feel like this is such a silly video, but it's actually really good. It's a really good product. Not that I know that company or anything, but it comes with this rice bag, okay? And then the directions just say add some water and some oil and your protein and the rice bag, bring it to a boil and let it simmer. I'm pre-cooking the chicken ahead of time because, like I said earlier, we're going to use that for other things. But like that's kind of already cooked, so it is what it is. Just follow the directions on the package. It's really good, actually. I've made this a bunch of times. It's really, really good. So here we go. All right, so rice packet. Just over 3 cups of water. I put the sausage in. The chicken's finishing up, and I'm going to cube that up, put some chicken in there. Like 2 tablespoons of oil. I used avocado oil right there. And that's it. And then we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to let it simmer like 25 minutes. I'm going to cover it with that foil. It's an easy dinner. The point of the whole thing is that it's super easy and makes a really good product. So, here we go. The name of this fancy contraption is the Thermopin 1, made by Thermoworks. Fantastic company, very good customer service. Now I have to transition hands. Camera to other hand to other hand to other hand. Okay, so this has been at like 20 minutes at 350. You want your chicken above 165. So obviously we're in the game. Chicken thighs are very forgiving because they have a lot of fat and they're awesome. But you need one of these in your life. You need an instant read thermometer in your life. You can't properly do anything without it. So get that. Now I'm going to save some of this for Babe's meal prep later. Air fried chicken thighs. I'm going to put this away and I'm going to cube up some and I'm going to put it in there. Absolutely cuts like butter. So we'll just take this. We'll move this knife out of the way. We'll take this. Easy. Go in there. Yeah, now we have chicken and sausage. And it's literally that, I mean, it's ridiculous. And I'm speaking to the parents that literally come home from work and then have to do their kids' sports and all that stuff. And it's a freaking drama festival. This is going to make an awesome meal that you'll probably, ultimately, really, have leftovers for. You got sausage, you got chicken, you got jambalaya. Pretty freaking easy. Normally I save this for the end of the video, but I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you to everybody on YouTube that's hit that little join button right next to the subscribe button. We'll put up all the member names right now. If you're a member of the channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. It supports Babe and I's little YouTube hobby of making cooking videos and stuff like that. Although this is kind of a silly cooking video, it's a box jambalaya, but it's really good. And we just appreciate you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Really, really appreciate it. And that's it. Now we're gonna finish the video. Here we go. And just like that, folks, 25 minutes, little simmer, and you got dinner for the kids. And probably leftovers, honestly. I mean, the rice is moist, the protein is good, chicken's good, sausage is good. The flavor from that little packet is pretty rockin'. I don't think you can really hate on that, right? I mean, I know it's stupid, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of a good dinner for everybody. And it tastes really good. There we go. Look at that. I mean, seriously, it's steaming hot right now. Chicken and dewy sausage, rice, jambalaya. Bob's your uncle. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Are you good, bro?